Hey guys, it's me. So a few days ago, my PC passed away. Problem is the motherboard. I can't find the motherboard for this computer because this is I guess 1150 model Intel, and now it's like 1151 I believe. And anyway, some of the connectors, SATA connector doesn't work properly, and yeah, it's time to move on. So Intel is done for me now. So what I'm gonna do today, it's something different. So this is of course is AMD build. So I choose for this build is AMD Ryzen 7. So this is second generation, of course. There's no graphics inside. So this is the normal Ryzen 7 2700X model. And for the motherboard I choose MSI X470. I was going for B450, but however I saw the review good for this model, so I'm going for this. So this one supports PCI Express 3.0, and of course there's a support of overclocking, as you can see, and it says it's ready for generation 1, 2, 3. So I'm not sure if even if it's not ready, I'm gonna check it later. If it's not ready, then I have to update the BIOS, because I never done the stuff. However, most of the people said like you have to, if it's from second generation, third generation, you have to update the BIOS, because most of the motherboards is not updated to that latest BIOS. Okay, so for the RAM I choose HyperX 16 GB, and I believe this is RGB RAM. I'm not sure about this, how many colors you can change, but anyway. And for this power supply, I choose Seasonic. So this is P80 Plus Gold, 650 watt, of course. And now past I've used Corsair BS450, and now I'm gonna use this one. So this, I've seen this great review for this. So if you wanna buy now power supply is one of the main issues to buy, and it's expensive. Of course, you cannot find the many power supply under budget, but this cost me a little bit more. And for the hard drive, I'm gonna use Samsung Q 1 terabyte SSD. So this is very great. I've used it for my old PC, and it runs so fast. It runs very fast, and I like that SSD. And back I have what is CD drive. It's for my installing any drivers, and also of course this is support micro SD card. So I have three under one, so I can use three things altogether. And the case I'm gonna use is by Cougar. This is mid tower case, and it includes the RGB fan, and it's glass case. So I have to be very careful. This is the first time I'm using the glass cover case. And for the graphics card, I'm gonna use is GeForce GTX 1660. So I'm gonna open all these parts now.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Sugar, there's a like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
While aiming at a weapon on nearby cover. Using your chute lets you glide away from everyone else, but you'll get on the ground late. Stay out of the gas, soldier. Was in it, locating the safe zone. Less than 10 enemies remain.
Untitled.